Just when everyone thought Google Nano Banana was setting the pace, Higgsfield dropped a bombshell. Their new Popcorn AI image generator has shattered the rules and left Nano Banana in the dust. This is not just image generation. Popcorn is your storyboard creator, your image editor, and your scene director all in one. It weaves consistent characters and cinematic settings across multiple frames, creating entire stories from a single prompt. Where Nano Banana breaks, Popcorn thrives. Where Seedream struggles, Popcorn delivers seamless continuity and hyperrealistic detail that feels alive. With Popcorn, you can edit photos flawlessly, swap backgrounds with precision, and generate 1 to 8 cohesive shots that look like they belong on the big screen. It is consistent, cinematic, aesthetic, and powerful. The new gold standard for creators everywhere. Stay tuned because in this tutorial I will show you exactly how to unlock Higgsfield Popcorn and use it to create visuals that destroy the competition. Hit that like button, subscribe for more cutting-edge AI tutorials, and let's dive straight into Popcorn. To begin using Higgsfield Popcorn, the very first step is to head over to the video description and click on the link provided. That link will take you directly to the official Higgsfield website, where all of the magic happens. Once the page loads, move your mouse over to the menu section dedicated to images. You will notice that Higgsfield offers a wide range of premium AI-powered image editing and generation models, each designed with creators in mind. Take a moment to look around because this platform is packed with advanced tools that can elevate your creative process. However, for the purpose of this tutorial, our focus will be on one specific model. That model is Higgsfield's Popcorn. It is the highlight of this campaign, the feature that has made waves by outperforming Nano Banana and Seedream 4.0. Still on the menu section, carefully click on the Popcorn. Once you are inside the Popcorn section, you have a variety of creative options at your fingertips. You can begin by generating an image entirely from a written prompt, or if you prefer more control, you can upload up to 4 input images. These uploads can carry over composition, characters, settings, moods, products, text elements, or even logos. Popcorn is designed to read and merge these details seamlessly, allowing you to craft highly specific visual directions. The real magic happens in how you choose to guide the generation. You can prompt each individual keyframe if you want precise control over every scene. This means you dictate the flow of the narrative, one frame at a time. Or, if you want the system to handle the heavy lifting, you can create a single master prompt that will generate an entire storyboard in sequence. From that single process, Popcorn produces up to 8 cohesive outputs, all connected in tone, character design, and environment, forming a cinematic storyboard. The journey does not stop there. You can even extend the narrative by selecting some of the generated outputs and asking the model to continue the story, expanding the sequence into an even longer and more consistent visual campaign. First, let us test the text-to-image option so you can see exactly how powerful Popcorn really is. I will start by clicking the Auto option, entering a prompt directly into the field, allowing the model to create a scene from nothing more than words. This will give us a clear idea of how well Popcorn interprets descriptions and translates them into hyper-realistic visuals. I will provide it with the following prompt. High-fashion photo shoot of a confident 30-year-old woman modeling elegant lingerie. She is styled like a professional catalog model, with natural makeup, soft wavy hair, and a graceful pose. The lingerie is made of fine silk and lace with detailed textures, shown clearly for a commercial advertisement.
Studio lighting, with a soft glow, highlights the fabric and contours. Background is clean and minimal to keep focus on the product. Ultra-realistic, editorial fashion photography. 8K resolution. Now that the prompt is ready, the next step is to configure the output settings. Begin by selecting the number of images you want the model to generate in a single run. For this demonstration, I will choose 4 outputs. This will give us enough variety to compare different interpretations of the same prompt while still keeping the results manageable. After that, move down to the aspect ratio drop-down menu. Here you can decide the framing and proportions of your images, depending on whether you want a cinematic wide shot, a square format for social media, or a vertical layout for mobile storytelling. For now, I will select the aspect ratio that best fits our example scene. Once these settings are locked in, simply click on the Generate button. The system will take a few seconds to process the request, and then it will deliver the results. Now the exciting part begins. Let us look at each of the 4 generated images one by one, carefully examining how Popcorn interprets the prompt and maintains consistency across every frame. If you would like to download any of your generated images, the process is very simple. First, click the image you want to save. Once it is selected, look just below the right side of the screen and you will see the download button. Click on it and the image will be saved directly to your device, ready for use. Now let us move on to the part that truly makes Higgsfield Popcorn stand out. This is where you can take your images far beyond simple generation and turn them into cinematic visuals. With Popcorn's editing features, you can perform perfect photo edits, carry out seamless background swaps, and transform ordinary inputs into hyper-realistic works of art. To start, click on the manual option.
Then look to the left side and click on the plus icon to open a brand new project. Inside this workspace, you will have the ability to upload up to 4 reference images. Once they are uploaded, all you need to do is add a simple prompt describing the transformation you want. Popcorn will handle the rest while maintaining absolute consistency in objects, characters, and style across your edits. For this demonstration, I will upload 3 different images into the project. The first image will be of a model, the second will be of a lingerie product, and the third will be a background scene. Here is the prompt I used. Use image 1 as the main model. Place her naturally within image 3, which is the elegant scene or background. Make the model hold the lingerie product from image 2 in her hands while posing gracefully for the camera. Ensure lighting and shadows are consistent across all elements for a seamless composition. The final result should look like a professional commercial photo shoot, with the focus on both the model and the lingerie product. Now I will select the number output, set the aspect ratio, and generate the image. By combining these elements together with a carefully written prompt, Popcorn will generate a new image where the model is seamlessly placed into the chosen setting, while showcasing the product in a natural and cinematic way. This process is one of the most powerful features of Higgsfield Popcorn because it allows you to transform separate inputs into a single, cohesive advertisement. The model will be positioned in the scene as if the photo was taken in real life. The lingerie product will be integrated into the styling, and the background will enhance the overall mood of the shot. What you get at the end is not a simple collage, but a hyper-realistic promotional visual that looks like it was produced in a professional studio. This is exactly why creators and brands are calling Popcorn the future of AI-driven advertising. And that is how you can take separate images and transform them into a single cinematic visual using Higgsfield Popcorn. From simple prompts to professional advertising campaigns, this tool gives you the power to create consistent, hyper-realistic results in just minutes. Let your creativity guide you. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more AI tutorials, and let me know in the comments what you would like me to test next.